Hi there everyone, Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick hack on how I would make this sort of stackable bins that you can get from the Dollar Tree more stackable. I mean, sometimes products are made and they're probably meant to be stackable, but it doesn't quite work. So in order for these two to stack, you don't do it on the same side. So you can flip it like this, and then you can put one on top of the other. However, as I have experience, because I've been using it, it kind of isn't enough. And if I put some items on top, even if I don't put some items on top, I cannot really sit the one on top comfortably or well enough for it to not fall. So oftentimes it just slides off the place or that lip or ledge. So what I'm doing is I'm using this scrap sticks, and I have already connected a pair, and what I'm doing is I am going to be attaching them to the place where you can stack the basket so that it will become wider. I know it's kind of a simple hack. I'm just using Dollar Tree materials plus a combination of E6000 and my hot glue. I'm going to be placing these craft sticks onto the ledges and making sure that the basket or the bin on top would be able to sit better. So you see the combination of hot glue and the E6000 here, and then this is where I'm going to be adding it. Now, depending on the amount of weight you're going to put on each bin, if you want to stack them up together or on top of several bins, then you could probably reinforce it with more craft sticks, or probably use a stronger material than the scrap sticks, because sometimes they break. What I've been doing is I'm only stacking two at a time, and the one on top is really light. So I will be showing you my craft room once it's done. Right now, because I haven't been feeling well. If you've been following me on my channel, you know that I've been kind of struggling with my seasonal allergies coupled with asthma, and my voice actually comes and goes. There are days that it's good and there are days that it's bad. So right now it's one of those better days, although my voice is not 100% yet. So thank you so much for all of you who have been commenting on my other videos, well wishing me, get well soon, prayers and comments. Thank you so much. I do appreciate them. So I just want to get this quick video out there, not just to show you this hack, but also to give you my my heartfelt thanks. So as you can see here, I've already attached one pair, and then now I'm going to be attaching another pair here. And I don't know if you can notice, I have already kind of added a little bit more space there, maybe a 1/4 of an inch on each side. I still have enough clearance for the items inside the bottom bin where I put the sticks, and this is going to be my bottom bin. And then I'll just let this cure so that it will not fall off. As you can see now, it has more space. Look at that gap there that I added support on using the sticks. And here it is now. I'm just showing you with some items that are light, like these silk flowers. So I just want to show you a glimpse of how I stored my DIY materials or craft items here in my craft room. I am kind of busy cleaning it up and organizing and doing a little bit of purging. And I still have a lot to do, but getting sick kind of derailed me because I really want to be done with this. But this is how I store some of my DIY items or materials, and this is how I categorize them. I'll be showing you more in depth when I do the walkthrough of my craft room, and hopefully I can do that soon in a next couple of weeks at least. I still have a long way to go, but I just want to thank you again for joining me here in my channel. For those of you who haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, click like, and comment down below. I do appreciate you leaving me some comments, especially the get well wishes comments. I do appreciate them, and I want to thank you again from the bottom of my heart. And I hope to talk to you again on my next video. Take care, everybody. God bless. Bye-bye.